In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Brave Browser. Welcome to this simple and beginner-friendly Brave Browser tutorial. If you'd like a smoother browsing experience and want Brave to automatically handle your saved login information, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the settings that allow Brave to automatically sign you in to websites using your saved credentials. This can save time, reduce the need to repeatedly enter login details, and make your everyday browsing experience much more convenient. Let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. You can launch it by clicking the Brave icon on your desktop, taskbar, or by searching for it through your computer's application menu. Once the browser is fully open, you'll be ready to access the settings needed to configure automatic sign-in functionality. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you'll find the main menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's primary menu. This menu provides access to many of the browser's tools, settings, and customization options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can manage various browser features related to privacy, security, appearance, passwords, and more. The Settings area serves as the central location for customizing how Brave works according to your preferences. Once you're on the Settings page, look toward the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Autofill and Passwords section. Click on it to open the Password Management settings. This area is designed to help you manage saved login information and improve the convenience of signing in to websites you visit regularly. Within the Autofill and Passwords section, find the option labeled Auto Sign-In or Automatic Sign-In. This feature is designed to work with passwords that have already been saved in the browser. When enabled, Brave can automatically use those saved credentials on supported login pages, helping you access your accounts more quickly. After locating the Auto Sign-In setting, click the toggle switch to turn the feature on. Once enabled, Brave will be allowed to automatically sign you in using the login details that have already been stored in the browser. This can create a more seamless browsing experience by reducing the number of times you need to manually enter your credentials. With the setting activated, Brave will handle supported sign-ins automatically whenever saved credentials are available. This can make everyday browsing more efficient while keeping your login information easily accessible through the browser's password management system. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled automatic sign-in in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.